cabin with balcony. Welcome to the Tripelers channel. Join us as we set off on a once-in-a-lifetime journey around the world. Hi, this is our cabin with a balcony. We have a double bed and a sofa bed. A balcony with room for 2 chairs and a sun lounger. You can also set up a hammock. We put our suitcases under the bed. There's a bathroom with a shower and plenty of shelves. In the wardrobes, you'll find hangers, 2 blankets, bathrobes, and life jackets. A hairdryer is located in the vanity drawer. The cabin walls are metal, so you can take accessories with magnets to hang them. There are both blackout curtains and hotel-style blackout drapes. The European Type F sockets also have USB and USB-C inputs. In the room, you'll also find a stool with a tray that can double as a small table. On the TV, you can watch the live shows from the amphitheater and check the current ship time. You can also switch to the bow camera and see exactly where we're heading. See you in the next update.
Tripelers. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to support us and see more quick travel reviews.